Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play What Makes You Beautiful by One Directions. First, I'm going to explain the chords. That's super easy. C, F and G. And later, I'm going to explain the introduction part. And then I'm going to sing for you so that you can get, how it goes. So let's get started. First, I'm going to explain the chords. First chord is C. With your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. That's C. And the next chord is F. Put your point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, from the bottom, and put your middle finger on the top string of the 2nd fret. Here. That's F. And the last chord you need to know is G. Put your point finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's G. So that's the old chord you need to know. Now I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of this song. That goes like this. Down, 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 down. Down, down, up, down, up. Like this. So first, for the C chord, you play down, down twice. Then F, then down twice. And G, then down, down, and up, down, up. Like this. You can just repeat it again and again. Oh, I forgot to mention, for this song you can just repeat C and F and G all the way through the songs, and that will be the whole song. It's super easy, actually. So you can just repeat it, then sing along with it. Yes. So, now I'm going to explain the introduction. It goes like this. It's actually easy. First chord you need to know is C. The next chord is F. Normally you play F like this, as I told you. But you can play F up here as well. You bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the 8th fret of the 1st string. That's F. And the next chord is G. As I said, G is normally like this, but you can play G up here as well. Bar the 7th fret and put your pinky on the 10th fret of the 1st string. That's G. So you just play C, F, G. And that will be the introduction of the song. Yes. Now, I'm going to sing a song for you so that you can understand how it goes. You're insecure, don't know what for. You turn your hands when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in a room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile on the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Lana, looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That what makes you beautiful. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification every time I post videos. Well, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.